This will be a workstation for cutting and servicing hydroponic tubes up to 20 feet in length. The Code Enforcement Office of the City of Los Angeles forced me to relocate my workstation from my orchard to the side of this unused pool. Many dismantled components can be seen in the background. As the months pass, I hope to reassemble my systems here out of sight of the city enforcers. The plank that I will use, I found at the side of a highway. The concrete blocks are remnants of a hydroponic experiment from many years ago. I continue to use these concrete blocks as possible, and here they serve as the base of the workstation. There is a problem with this plank. It was perhaps discarded because it is weathered and splitting. I am using these devices to stop the splitting of the plank. I hammer them in, and the steel will stop the splitting of the plank. In an upcoming video, I will show you how this workstation is employed. If any grower wants to work with hydroponic tubes, I suggest that they assemble a workstation like this. A picnic table, a workbench is not large enough. A tube may come in a 20-foot length, or it may come in 8-foot lengths. It is not safe to work on these PVC tubes without a firm work base.